In this video, I'll show you how to fill out a document using DocuSign step by step so you can complete agreements quickly and correctly. Start by logging into your DocuSign account and going to the Agreements section, then open your inbox where documents waiting for your action are listed. Select the document you need to fill out and review it carefully before proceeding. Click on the Sign or Continue button, and DocuSign will guide you through the required fields by highlighting them. Simply follow the prompts to enter text, initials, dates, or checkboxes as needed. When you reach the signature field, you can draw, type, or upload your signature depending on your preference. Make sure all required fields are completed before finishing. Once everything is filled, click Finish to submit the document. Always double-check your entries to avoid mistakes or delays. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.